There's not much I have to say about this fan. It's my childhood. It's in my grandpa's house. Makes a little bit of noise. Produces okay air. I mean, it's good enough for the space. And it wobbles, it shakes a lot. If you touch it, it's really unstable, so it's just a motor. It's weird. I don't know. Like, it has light bulbs, obviously. Oh shit. Has the weird shade, and it has like the screw on thing in there. I don't know what that's called. It's too low. See, that scraping sound you heard is the motor scraping the motor housing because the thing is loose. I don't have too much emotional attachment to this fan. It's just in my grandpa's house. Might try to find, maybe, hopefully one day I can replace it with something actually good. I mean, this is not bad for the space. I mean, nobody ever uses this space anyways, except for like Thanksgiving and shit. Other than that, this place doesn't get used. I do have a hunch original though at the porch. I'll do another video of that soon. That fan's out. That's fan due for a change. Now here's spin down. Bearings aren't too bad in this. And that wraps it up. I'm gonna put it on speed that it's usually on. Turn it off by the switch. Yeah, there we go. Thank you for watching.